Mala ka chang dar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang abada ka pai kel karon kin dang rawu de jandang rawu de bakel. Agan mak bangut gok be nong lar te la nong yen chiang ka dung dit media ka te la rodien ka jinup Sudan ka na win mo na dodien. And wala ka chang abada ka pai kel dung dit media but ka lar mi specific. Waka members of the SPLMIU ka military ka na political part. Message mabala lar mi specific che me jaga lar ko baga tek message. Millionaire SPLMIO members in particular. Ko this year, year 2026, May, the mood turn on and take our political feeling must change because of the reason the Cornerback Jordan ko we need to formulate a new outlook, new political outlook. So when we are fighting this year, we are marching toward victory. Victory. That is a matter of week, matter of months, responsibility of South Sudan, but what are they done? What are they SPLMIO? For that reason, we need to formulate a national view of our operation as we are doing it today. SPLMIO today, the cooperation, the corner that we all agreed is marching toward the victory. Those are political things can other national arena that we need to formulate new with a new pace. Jordan in attention that we want our people to follow this channel. Ko mi yo mi she jak ray jam linge be like ko be share ko bana ko no wan le to ko me ko le shop ke be media me be ko le promote be kam nyal ba ko la gwa leng mo gwa ga ne ko le to nat. Our specific message today to the SPLMIO members, Canadian Colonel members of SPLMIO, Nichang, Niragne, Nigadi Niken, Nico political members, Nade content like Ganesia said, Nico ordinary members. A care one a may, a 2026 may our message, you banner win, banner core banner win. Our banner win. Take episode the way now we look, the way the government look. Take it one be in your corner this year, the corner for end, man corner money win. Well, me go to call and money win corner, which is our mood today. So how are we approaching? Ban corner money teredi, feeling or political feeling, let me say politically. Go corner chetakurun a con. Majateguru no yatagadun one a cost. They don't want to knock, you quack one young argar, many sexual fabrics, check a broken. That took on a machakal one other nore, we talk about them every day. Other Junubino Ken, we talk about them every day. So Mulu and all this blemish. They take a doubling in one, the chakanang can nap. So, side of Nori, let me say it in specific. Belgajang, Wajang, Chanwari Chakam street again in the government. Katai of Jang, Belga Nori, take elements of those view. As we are now today is like Yini Jang, Kananwari in a feeling of many people. That we need to stop. This year, as a member of SPLMIO, marching toward the victory. Ko core me meter economy. She core jan can no any longer. If me a contact dimension me genome this year, tell dimension me genome because you can take example clearly stage. Ko if we talk about it, you're continuing an RA law. The bulk, they are not a cogni, one a low thing. The same like what happened in Bantu, need a content qua Bantu destabilized today, Kabul, to that we cannot say it. It's a young, it is a specific problem, this year, 2026. That feeling, money eradicate, money way to cherry con. ko odi mo kon ka Victoria mo the con responsibilities are the party, are the group, are the communities ahead of us. Ko kume me ana jak kijino Sudan. The con responsibility of reconciliation. Ko bana na bana reconcile. Bana jinubin bana matkel, tu luingwa kel, but again national integrity. So the nation but again healing the balad benaramat na loy naga thaya dan ejege jinub. Bishi malad metolan medit. That a person be responsible mga yela the molod ng rule. You need to take care. Kata nan and record. That our message and what our Canadian Nukula Junubi into idols. Because we know every Junubi. Jakume care look, but none of them are idols. The more another lakin anyway they win you kume care or they support it. So now we don't scare them. Kalat. Bana lad injected then Junubi or Ken Dag is scared, Daga Dwal. Bana go watch. A man in a jang. Tell me alone and may come like a jang. A come down elements of the government. To both get self care get a family. That more color dismantle, Junubi or Ken, they will come down, big new, and this is the objective we want. Go manage Junubi and Baron go to Kume. The Kume and Condi, Alcarwaka Jedi. So no is specific message. Me work as Spla my members. Ko this year, Nico command or con. We advise ourselves. Banaka advise. Ko the issue of young, bala sensitive issue. Me demand naka ga nuna naka regulation of war. Ko waram go joy to the young, the punish militarily. Ko this a dangerous. Cause this year. Right over young, that was the time that con a very big problem. But this year, the con moral, mupul, that we can support, maybe you know, being reconcile tomorrow. Read go young, chagwa. Let us stop it. Mura you take a message to give to the people of South Sudan. As I'm wise, I'm intellectual. Munga you would a young tiger do. How people will hear Balingadi be officially. Begin commander. Begin political figure, but now you go on another problem. Another case, Spla is to change the system. And then a busque family of 1, 2, 3 family that we know. We look at young, we look at be no Kendia, Mananor. So the noble tone go on and a Weber supporting that system. Adu, Quanwar, Quajang, Qualatuga, Quamandar, Qua Adu case Spla. So now, a message of this year that we avoid the message of Jang, no. But we always talk about it. The feeling of this year. Ko and take one tea banner la larke while we are marching. While we are marching toward the victory, one as a member of SPLM, we don't know one member of SPLM, we take an objective. Now, take what is sporadic problem. A issue bone and a mature, Nasani are yet. So, an idea, no more, a corner, problem, you talk letter. The guru general radio mature, reaching a work position more, guru larke by Latin, go the current situation. Go to the organization, go to preparation, go to one and better deployment to commanders of SPLM by Nathaniel Wiyet, who is the acting chairman. So group taught more about the idea go and we don't accept Nathaniel Wiyet as a legitimate leader of SPLM. Group more, which way could you understand? Simply you can say okay the linkers. Number one, betrayals. For betraying objective. For betraying the moment of SPLM. Number two, the linkers. Can I chara parkulize? Can you betray no objective of the moment? So if you think Michari in every sense, politically, Kachar Michari, Jamira me wise. Chairman is in prison. Constitution is there, but I spell my own. Automatic, the deputy chairman, acting chairman. So who do you think is your leader now? Can spell my own? We don't like doing an error and spell my own. So I don't know, Mukuja approach, Ko we yet, ma we yet, the linker. Ramajor parkulize, Major mat parkul. Can my moin a corner and corner take a year yet young. Conspiracy with the government. Take your wazir. So we yet, let me say, Right Honorable Nathaniel we yet is the legitimate leader of the SPLM-IO, a manemi. Chai chairman Dr. Yang Machar, Charlo Gua Charlo. Makanaloyo, we still go forward with Nathaniel as our leader. Then a question. SPLM-IO take organization, and is now free to organize SPLM-IO, to reorganize in absence of the chairman. And the Mogujimo, being realaka, politically, militarily, Bede Yugujimo that organize, Bedu realaka Lloyd. Con members will only accept that is the only thing. So, I'm sure I will be unable to continue now. I could Nasani Aluyat, Nasani Aluyat, Biangajo Neto, Kadilinkas. She comes over as Fiala Mayo. Kuran deserve Mishi Meja Latka Kapanya. Miram Kelwala, I am a wood, you quite a mature. May I do your Kenji Panya? Jacob is now in prison. So wherever me talk to Lara and they take me when you go to Mishima Nasani Aluyat. Could deserve no back up by Ian Bala prison right here now. Here in Tamil. The linker. So now is about the tension and to come then one more leadership and to Nasani Aluyat as the acting chairman of the SPLM-IO. Kajan the acting commander-in-chief of the SPLM-IO. That whoever, a member of SPLM-IO will support me. We support him, plan, you can want a core, ban of a core. You can stop, ban stop. That is the only thing. To the other, we can say it, Katin Lord Kani. Ni feeling of our people this year, ko bad tone of tribalism, divisive tone, man reduced. Tell me path, me victorious, me la take feeling kagu very bad balat, no rebate. So we fight, still but understand what we are. Political bond to the national integrity of South Sudan, the white Kelm tribe county, 64 tribe, they will live in forever. So, Madame Shuala Royal Nayako and Ramataka feeling of Nasani Aluyat is the right leader, not the right leader this time. Yangayo those very few, Nadiato Nasani Aluyat is legal. Kadilinkas. You disregard their complaint con latken. Ushukran.